I recently purchased this 30-gallon Masterforce air compressor from Menards. As of 2021, it retails for $479.99. With the rebate promotion Menards runs every few weeks, you can get it for $52 less at about $427. The Masterforce 30-gallon compressor uses an Oilless compressor design with a maximum pressure of 155 PSI. It delivers 6 cubic feet of air per minute at 90 PSI and 7.7 CFM at 40 PSI. It has a 1.9 horsepower motor and it will run on a common 15 amp household circuit, but only from 0 PSI in my experience. If the compressor kicks in to recharge from 100 PSI, the initial amp draw will overload a 15 amp circuit breaker and won't run the motor, so I recommend running this compressor on a 20 amp circuit or higher. The compressor takes 7 minutes and 15 seconds to completely fill from 0 to 155 PSI. The assembly and quality of the compressor is great, except for a little thread compound on the pressure regulator. There was no assembly required other than putting on rubber pads on the compressor mounts. Regardless, the compressor holds pressure for over a week with minimal loss. On first startup, you will need to run the compressor with the drain valve open for 30 minutes to break in the oilless pump. I decided to install a drain extension kit so it will be easier to drain moisture from the tank rather than having to go under the compressor to unscrew the tiny valve that comes pre-installed. I took a video of the compressor with a thermal imaging camera so you can see how it heats up from 0 to 155 PSI over the course of 7 minutes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos.